They were once hunted as a pest, but a rare marsupial in northeastern Indonesia is now being protected by the very community that once tried to kill it. On the volcanic island of Ternate, villagers have put away their slingshots and are now patrolling forests to safeguard the vulnerable blue-eyed cuscus. CNN's Nivel Radar reports.
Armed with headlamps and notebooks, youths from Takome village in North Maluku, Indonesia, scan the trees for signs of life. Their mission tonight? To document the blue-eyed cuscus, a species found only on two small volcanic islands, Ternate and its neighbor, Tidore.
The blue-eyed cuscus is active only at night. It's also a marsupial, which means it carries its young in a pouch just like a kangaroo or a koala. But what really sets it apart are its striking blue eyes, which is a rare trait in the animal world.
The species is listed as vulnerable, threatened by habitat loss and volcanic activity. But its biggest danger comes from poachers who hunt it for sport or for meat. People here once took part in the hunting too, viewing cuscus as pests that damage their crops.
Pada waktu itu perburuan yang dilakukan oleh warga maupun masyarakat dari luar itu sangat banyak sekali. Bahkan dalam semalam untuk perburuan itu, Bang, itu mendapat 5 sampai 6 karung cuscus.
But that way of thinking is now behind them. In 2019, local youth decided to open a camping ground overlooking a lake. The site soon began attracting tourists and scientists interested in Takome's unique wildlife. For the community, protecting the cuscus started to make economic sense.
Kebetulan Takome juga salah satu kampung yang memiliki potensi wisata yang cukup besar. Itu justru menjadi satu alasan kita untuk melakukan pendekatan ke mereka bahwa jangan sampai melakukan hal ini. Contohnya kayak semisal berburu cuscus, karena semakin kalau ibu-ibu atau bapak-bapak berburu dan lain sebagainya, justru si wisatawan luar tuh malah tidak datang lagi. Nah, itu juga berpengaruh. Nah, dengan pendekatan-pendekatan seperti itulah mereka alhamdulillah cukup sadar.
Today, instead of hunting, residents patrol the forest at night, watching for signs of illegal activity. Poachers from outside Takome still enter the area because word has spread that the cuscus is easy to find. When that happens, the impact can be devastating.
Itu bahkan paling sering dari kasus, ada 3 kali kasus yang memang terdata. Nah, dari yang paling banyak kemarin tuh 15 cuscus yang ditembak, dan di kantong tuh ada 4 kantong anak yang dalam keadaan hidup. Kalau sesuai pengalaman yang teman-teman rawat di sini tuh paling mentok 2-3 minggu tuh pasti anakannya mati.
There's been no official study to determine how many cuscus are left, but residents say they are seeing signs of change.
Dulu tuh tamu tuh hampir tidak dapat.
Oh ya?
Paling susah. Makanya kalau saya untuk upaya kita menjaga sebenarnya cukup ada perubahan sih.
For this small village, conserving the blue-eyed cuscus is no longer just about wildlife. It's also about protecting their future. Nivel Radar, CNA, Takome, Indonesia.